out like, woo! You won't have me.
Yeah.
I don't know, your hands will be all tucked up together. You're like, I can't move them. Oh, look, they got a camera. Oh, my gosh.
Here we go. This is like being launched into
Right
space.
up to the air. Right through the air.
Here's my glasses. Sorry about that.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Alright. Oh, look, we got a camera right here. Look at that, we got a camera
All right,
right
here,
here.
ready? Let's go. That's the best ride ever. Oh, there we go again. Yeah.
Front row. Back row.
Phew. Go flip over again.
Back row or front row? It's always in the front row. Flip my back row, man, come on! Alright, well, we're not going up in the air. Might as well come down. It's not fun now. It's going down. Uh-oh, I think we're going to do it again. Alright, here we go!
We're going down now. He's letting us down.
Alright.
I guess I'll hang here for a while. See if we can find, who's your mom now?
I can't see them. I don't have my glasses.
I don't either. They're over there somewhere. Aunt Gwen called me and I had to hang up on her.
Yeah, because you were like it. Alright, Emmy gets on. I'm going to tell her hold tight. Dad's
Hold tight. Go for
As
the
soon as we go up, it's like a rocket ship. You don't hear nothing. All you go is like, what the heck's happening?
Well, wait, get up in there. You gotta stick your feet out like this. Hold your feet out.
Oh, was that good?
That was awesome.
That was scary.
Alright, the deal is if you guys want to ride all night, it's still $10 each, alright?
Okay.
For the people that already rode, so.
Okay.